Friends, hello! In this video, I want to tell you what you absolutely need to do with your parsley right now to get several more harvests of this fragrant plant this season. Because if you don't trim it, it will start to age. It will become bitter and yield only one harvest for the entire season. You shouldn't do that. You need to collect at least 2 harvests, and the way I do it, it's 4 harvests. Then you can freeze it, you can dry it, and you can also add it to food immediately right now. And it's very simple indeed. Like, we need to trim all the parsley down to the young growth. We gather it into small bunches like this and cut it about 5 centimeters. We trim from the bottom because there is young growth in the middle of the bush, and we don't really need to trim that. It will start to grow again, producing new young growth, from which we will gather the 3rd harvest. After that, we will collect it, and before the frost, a 4th harvest will grow. And if you have let the parsley get old and it seems too bitter and inedible to you, we still trim it. Mine is already old. It still needs to be trimmed to encourage new growth. And now look at what I was telling you about. Here is the young growth. As you can see, when I trimmed it to this length, I didn't cut it off. Here it is. Here, in the middle of the plant, it is located. And it will start growing quickly because it no longer needs to spend nutrients on the old leaves we just cut off, and the root system is large. It will quickly start producing new green mass, young, juicy and fragrant, which we will then trim again after some time. So friends, make sure to do this with your parsley and increase your harvest from a small garden bed by at least 4 times. If you found this information helpful, give it a like. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next video.